this is one of the best slicers for 3D printing in my opinion. So you're watching this just because probably you want to know what's the best or one of the best slices that you can have when 3D printing, and I highly recommend, and in my opinion, Ultimaker Cura is one of the best. Of course, when you buy a 3D printer, Creality or whatever, they will provide you their own slicers. But their slicers are not so advanced and they don't have so many options as Ultimaker Cura is. I did use Creality slices and I'm not saying that it's bad, but this Ultimaker Cura just gives you much more options and much more better control when it comes to your printer. You got all those, you even have experimental that makes the fuzzy skin and all those things like this fuzzy skin. And like I said, the Ultimaker Cura just gives you much more control over your printer, and it's very easy to use. Of course, like most of the slices, it already have a preset for like a Creality Ender 5 or Creality Ender 3, so it already has settings. You can always make the build plate a little bit bigger if you want to fit bigger prints, as long as your build plate on your printer allows it. It's very simple. Like I said, it already has the presets and everything. You just load your model, you slice it, and you export it. It's much more faster when it comes to slicing. Of course, you have all your other settings like to move it, to scale it up or down, rotate it, mirror it, like mesh type. You can remove your supports to in the area that you don't need. So it is a really nice slicer, very easy to use. I highly recommend that if you're going into 3D printing, just swap directly to Ultimaker. So that's my opinion on which slicer you should use, or which slicer for me works the best. Thanks for watching, subscribe and share, and I hope I will see you in the next one.